If you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the right pair of gardening gloves can make all the difference. From protecting your hands against thorns and dirt to giving you a better grip on your tools, having high-quality gloves is a must. In this video, I'll be exploring the 10 best gardening gloves that combine comfort, durability, and style, so you can tackle your garden tasks with ease. Number 1. COOLJOB Women Gardening Gloves. If you want something lightweight and comfortable for everyday garden tasks, the COOLJOB Women gardening gloves are a great place to start. Made from breathable rubber material, these gloves keep your hands cool while protecting them from dirt and moisture. Despite weighing only 3.21 ounces, they offer steady grip and durability, making them perfect for long gardening sessions. The soft interior helps reduce hand fatigue, and the snug fit provides excellent control while working with delicate plants. Number 2. WZQH Leather Gloves. The WZQH leather gloves are built for tougher garden jobs where you need serious protection. Made from durable leather, these gloves are abrasion-resistant, tear-resistant, puncture-proof, and thorn-proof, ideal for handling roses, cactus, branches, or thick shrubs. They also offer heat, flame, cold, and oil resistance, making them incredibly versatile for more than just gardening. Available in coffee and gray, they have a comfortable interior that allows you to work longer without irritation. Even at 7.4 ounces, they remain flexible enough for movement while offering strong defensive capability. Number 3. WORKPRO Garden Gloves. The WORKPRO garden gloves are designed for comfort and flexibility. Their polyester fabric keeps them light and breathable, while the eco-latex palm coating provides a secure grip when handling tools or working with wet soil. The gloves feel soft on the inside and stretch easily for a natural fit, making them comfortable for all-day gardening. Available in green and gray, these gloves weigh 14.8 ounces, offering more padding and durability compared to lighter options. The palm-coated design helps protect against slipping, making tasks like pruning or digging feel easier and more controlled. Number 4. Wells Lamont Gardening Gloves. The Wells Lamont gardening gloves combine durability with comfort. Made from leather, neoprene, and spandex, they're both flexible and protective. The gloves feature abrasion resistance, making them suitable for handling rocks, branches, and heavy tools. They also include protective padding that adds extra comfort when working longer hours. Weighing only 3.84 ounces, they remain light enough for everyday gardening while still offering strong resistance against moisture thanks to their water-resistant build. The fit feels secure and comfortable, and the flexible materials help maintain hand movement. Number 5. MAGID Gardening Gloves. The MAGID gardening gloves are a great pick for anyone working around thorny plants, vines, or branches. These gloves are elbow length, giving extended coverage and keeping your forearms safe from scratches. Made from flexible spandex, they remain breathable while offering scratch resistance, tear resistance, and thorn protection. The lightweight design makes them comfortable even during long gardening sessions, and the snug fit ensures good control over fine tasks. If you're pruning roses, building flower arrangements, or handling heavy shrubs, The added sleeve length helps prevent accidental cuts. Number 6. Bamllum Leather Gardening Gloves. The Bamllum leather gardening gloves are built for durability and comfort. Made from high-quality leather, these gloves offer excellent abrasion resistance while being elastic, breathable, and sweat-absorbing, keeping your hands dry and comfortable during extended gardening sessions. Available in multiple colors, these gloves are suitable for a variety of outdoor chores. They provide protection against scratches, minor cuts, and blisters, making them ideal for anyone dealing with thorny bushes or rough surfaces. Lightweight yet durable, Bamllum gloves are a reliable choice for gardeners seeking both safety and flexibility. Number 7. F Products Florist Pro Gardening Gloves. If you're handling flowers or thorny plants, the F Products Florist Pro Gardening Gloves are an excellent choice. Designed with a thorn shield and featuring 15-inch long sleeves, these gloves protect not only your hands but also your forearms from scratches and pokes. The durable construction allows you to tackle roses, brambles, and other prickly plants with confidence. Made from quality materials in colors like green, brown, and pink, they combine protective functionality with a stylish appearance. The extended sleeve length provides extra coverage during heavy pruning, and the gloves fit snugly to maintain dexterity. Number 8. MSUPSAV Gardening Gloves. The MSUPSAV gardening gloves are perfect for general-purpose gardening with extra protection. Constructed from 85% polyester and 15% nylon, these gloves are thorn-proof and puncture-resistant, keeping your hands safe while handling tough plants or rough surfaces. Available in a variety of colors, these gloves are practical and stylish. The reinforced material ensures durability, while the comfortable fit reduces hand fatigue over long periods. Whether you're digging, planting, or pruning, these gloves provide an ideal balance of protection, flexibility, and comfort. Number 9. Ainiv Gardening Gloves. For a breathable and comfortable option, the Ainiv gardening gloves are made from 35% cotton and 65% polyester, offering a soft touch and excellent ventilation. These gloves are non-slip and wear-resistant, ensuring secure handling of tools and plants. With a palm size of 3.9 inches by 9 inches, they fit most hands comfortably, lightweight, and easy to move in. Ainiv gloves allow precise control while digging, planting, or pruning. They also come in multiple colors, adding a touch of style to your gardening gear. If you prefer a glove that combines comfort, breathability, and moderate protection, this pair is a solid choice for everyday gardening. Number 10. Pine Tree Tools Bamboo Gardening Gloves. The Pine Tree Tools Bamboo gardening gloves are made from bamboo fabric, offering a natural, eco-friendly option for gardeners. They are moisture-absorbing, keeping your hands dry during sweaty garden tasks, and are touchscreen friendly, so you can use your phone without removing them. Lightweight and flexible, these gloves provide a comfortable fit while handling plants, tools, and soil. The breathable material ensures long-lasting comfort, making them perfect for extended gardening sessions. For gardeners who want eco-friendly, soft, and practical gloves, Pine Tree Tools offers an excellent solution. And that's a wrap on our list of the 10 best gardening gloves. Each glove offers its own unique blend of durability, comfort, and protection, so you can find the perfect match for your gardening needs. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gear guides and outdoor tips.